Hi everybody, Ed Duclo here with your ink tip of the week. And due to the fact that this is our last ink tip for 2019, I figured let's do a holiday theme. Actually, that's not the only reason. We were supposed to have an ink crew meeting today and that got canceled. So I had put this together for them. So I figured, even better, let's put it out to everyone. So everything that I'm going to show you in the next couple minutes, you're going to get access to, meaning that you can a template, you can do it yourself, you can share it with your students, you can have fun with your kids or whatever you want to do. So anyways, let's take a look. First, I would be remiss if I did not say that all of what you're going to see right here is the creation of Eric Kurtz. He is my favorite blogger he's out of Ohio and he's an innovator extraordinaire. So this is all based on his stuff. So let's get going. First, the thing I love about this is the fact that through play, you're going to be able to understand more about the tool. So here's Google Slide, and you have your tree, and then you're going to have your slides down below where you can pick the bulbs and you can pick the extras and you can decorate your tree. And then you can come back here and you can type about it, write about your holidays, or you can go ahead and put in a screencast that's called app smashing. So you're putting two things together. Next, let's go over here. Similar activity, again with Google Slides. You're going to go ahead with your snowman and then eyes, mouse, and all the extras as well. All of these are templates, all of these free to go ahead and just create. He then shifts gears and he comes into Google Drawings, an underutilized but an outstanding tool within the G Suite family. Here, he's going to teach you how to go ahead and do a greeting card template, portrait. He also has a landscape. All these will be available to you. And I said he's going to teach you because he also has videos and things along those lines and just, obviously directions. So I'll make sure that you have all of that. The next one I absolutely love. Again, with Google Drawings, you can go ahead and kind of that magnetic poetry, you can move the words over, and then in this space right here, create your poem. I think I had sent this out about a year ago, and actually it was well received. So here it is again. And last but not least, I love this. Actually, brings me back to that. I think the magazine was called Highlights. Anyway, is it a Rebus story? I think I'm pronouncing it correctly. You'd have words and then emojis, and it's all pretty cool. And the nice thing here, he also teaches you how to insert special characters which are embedded within Google Google Docs. So I said that I was going to get all this out to you. How am I going to do that? Well, I'm going to go into the Mix PLC. And all I did is I reused the post that I was going to do, I had up for Ink Crew. And if you haven't joined the Mix PLC, here is the code that will get you. You can refer back to that. And then all the materials be up there, either for you, for your students, for your kids, however you choose to use it. Hope you have fun with this. Have yourself a great day.